Are you ready for more capacity and more accuracy? Do you want to get more done in less time? Do you need more versatility and more durability? Then you're ready for the new Makita 12-inch dual slide compound miter saw with DXT technology, featuring 8 inches of crown molding cutting capacity and up to 15-inch crosscuts at 90 degrees in a precision-engineered miter saw with all the innovation you expect from Makita. DXT technology is deep and exact cutting technology. It's about getting maximum performance, smaller, lighter, and more efficient tools. Don't settle for old technology. Step into the future with DXT. DXT miter saws from Makita offer 4 key advantages: large cutting capacity, dead-on accuracy, added versatility, long-lasting durability. It's what separates Makita from the rest.